Hi guys, Bleach here, driving in the blizzard March 14, 2017. It's not me that's driving, it's my mom. She doesn't want to be on camera, she's camera shy. But I have a doctor's appointment I just can't miss, and we wouldn't be driving in this if I didn't. Um, it's not as bad as it was that we're able to, as it's going to be. I mean, we're able to get out of our driveway, just had a tiny bit of shoveling to do. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Just show you some of this. I'll probably show a clip tomorrow of me shoveling and digging out and stuff and swearing. Trying to take the snow out of there. I'm kidding. Maybe I won't be swearing, I don't know. But just look onto it. We're like in the central New York area. We're supposed to get like 14 inches or 14 feet, whatever it is. Of course, I'm exaggerating a bit. We're not going to get 14 feet. If we did, our house would be buried. Just want to tell you guys, vlog for a minute. I ordered one of those Chinese webcams from China for like $3. It's supposed to be 50 megapixel and 15-foot USB cord for live videos in the future. And I used these Chinese webcams before. They seem to be good. Although I wasn't paying attention, someone gave a bad review of the one I bought, said it's really blurry, but who knows, for $3 for China for a webcam, it's got to be better than the one I'm currently using. Maybe a little more clear and stuff. And then you can see how real junky the garage is with the 15-foot USB cord. The freaking roads are just greasy, guys. My God. I'm not going to tape this or video as much as I did before in the other storms they have. This is going to be a really bad one. It's going to be like the storm we had here in '94. Everybody's getting hit by it. There's a little, I don't know if you can see that, guys. My window's fogged up on the other side. But there's a little plow majigger thing there. A little plow John Deere thing. I need to get my freaking Macy's snowblower going this year, guys. If you guys can help me figure it out. I do want to sell it, but I think it'd just be worth to have on hand if we get stuff like this. So the lifeguards are joking with me. One of them, when I started talking, says I should drive around, put confetti in it and stuff, or shred up paper and just throw it all over. Man, this is a mess. I won't be going anywhere tomorrow. I'll be just waiting for it to stop, and I'll be digging this out. I don't really have anyone to help me shovel it either, which isn't good. I'll be able to do it. I'll probably be doing the neighbors too. Frickin' Ray will be calling me up. He can't find his plow guy. He's got a plow too, and he just parked it out back and doesn't have it in his driveway too. Ford Bronco plow truck, or I think it's either a Blazer, I forget. I'm trying to slide down this hill right now. As you can tell, the window's all fogged up in here. You can't really see. State of an emergency where we are. We're not really supposed to be driving in this. I'm lucky my doctor's all open for what I gotta get. I don't know if I should say this, but I had to get my crazy shot that balances me out. I mentioned what the medicine I take in my previous live video is, so go file for them, check them out. I think it's the one before the 5.5 hour one where I'm just sitting talking scared in the dark and not peeing. I'm kidding. But for the guys that watched me that video that Saturday night, thanks for sticking with me, just kind of hanging out with me at about 5:30 in the morning. For some of you, it was like 12 o'clock at night when I ended it, because you're over in Oregon and stuff. I appreciate all my I'll just show you. Appreciate all my new subscribers and stuff, and I'll try to check out your channels out. There's just so many of you guys and so many great things on YouTube. I don't know what to say. I'm just kind of like, I'm a little hoarse from this being out in this weather. I got freaking Superman pajamas under my pants and a sweatshirt, and then a woman's sweatshirt on top of it, which my mother loaned me. It's from the Walmart. Yeah, I'm like filming up there where it's foggy. We're Oh, it's going to be a lot more snow in this other zone here. Hopefully, got it plowed. And I won't even be coming in or driving if I have to get my my crazy shot to balance me out for my bipolars. I'm like a bipolar bear in this bipolar weather, guys. Yeah, the weather pretty much is bipolar. 60, 70 degrees one day. And all this shit. There's a guy out there shoveling. Hey, you're starting early. You're not supposed to shovel now. He tries to, people, oh, we can't see, can we? Shit. And people have to go out, they have to get their 20 mils, their 1,000 spreads. It's really bad through here. Looks like people slip through here. Watch out for Mr. Shovel here. Damn, he's got one of those cool shovels that they got at Tractor Supply. Those expensive ones. Hope you caught that, guys. I'll stop the video in a minute or two, and then I'll show what it looks like in the next town over. Then I'll show me shoveling. This might be part 1 or part 2. I might just do a long ass video, I don't know. I mean, someone watched me 5.5 hours, a couple people, why not? Yeah, you can even tell where the road is and stuff. Man, this is bad. I wonder what it's like in Canada land now. Alright, we're going to fly down this hill into a nothingness of whiteout, as you can see. Man, this is... we're going to be really careful when we get home. Hopefully we can make it up this hill. Some of the bulletin boards we got on here. Oh, cool, heroin. That's a fun time, guys. Heroin's a fun time. No, not heroin. No. Stay away from the heroin. Oh shit, we almost hit somebody. That's not good. That's not good at all. Coming on 7 minutes, guys. This is going to be a long video. Get some popcorn. Hey, that guy selling plows over there. Wish I had my Macy plow going. Got too late in the year. If I had 3 Daryls, I could have fixed it, I guess. Like Daryl, and Daryl. Oh, we're in the same shop, sure. I want to get a shop shirt that's like has David on it. And then you'll be like, is my mower done yet? Dave's not here, but you're wearing the Dave shirt. My name's not David, it's Mike. Silly stuff like that. Alright. I want to show where that is. Oh well. I don't have any stalkers yet. I'm not all that famous. There's the, no, you can't see it now. American flag was flying over there. Ooh, they're still working on the power stuff over there at the power company. Oh. I'm going to end it here. Take that plow to my house, guys. Snow right in my driveway. Oh, he's gassing up. Oh, this is where we really need 4-wheel drive, guys. We're just leaving the rye, guys. It's really bad. I'll top it all off. My glasses broke. I have a bad habit of sleeping in them, and the arm from my ear just broke right off. Just look at the awesomeness of this, guys. Hopefully we can make it home in one piece. I had a spare pair at home somewhere, my old pair, if I can find them. This is actually my old pair, the new pair is the spare. There's all the stuff I do in the garage and want to ruin a good pair of glasses. So luckily, what's great about broken glasses, Walmart replaced the ear for me, and hopefully there's still, take them off a bit, hopefully there's still a bite on there that they can be fixed. See what I look like on my glasses. Ain't I handsome-y or handsomer or something? Let's see if we can get home in one piece, guys. There's a nice plow over there. There's the pizza shop. We got here called Curly's. It's like a restaurant and bar. You've probably seen it in previous videos like this. Yeah. Next segment of this, you'll probably see me shoveling this tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. Today is Tuesday the 14th. See if we can get the accidents on video, guys. That'd be interesting. If someone's in the ditch, I'll video it. I doubt that'll come to be, guys. My feet are cold. What's going on? Like, what time is it? It's like 1:45 now, guys. There's that place I try to have make my shirts, guys, and they want way too much for shirts for YouTube. $2.29 for gas here. In other places it's $2.15, which is a decent place. It used to be the Hess. So there's gas. $2.15. Sorry guys, it's hard to make this video. I'm a little drowsy still. Looks like they're missing their back window in that van. Oh, they finally took down that building that was there, the one that burned down. Well, I'll end it in a minute, guys, and just showing you the awesomeness of the storm. I'll show you some more at night too, what it's doing, and then on to the next day. Bunch of bars through here. This is pretty cool. The storm, not really cool. It's gonna be nasty later. It's in the afternoons where it's gonna really pick up. There's an old abandoned laundromat building. I think they're getting ready to tear that down too, guys, and build something over it. You can see it, the snow on the window. Everybody, I think, in the eastern area is getting hit by the storm, and so far so good. It's not really coming down all that much. I think it will later. The roads aren't all that plowed. They're packed with snow. You know what's weird? I got from, no, maybe not. I was gonna say I got from one other side of the town in the other 3 minutes, and I run my mouth 3 minutes in my videos and I'm working on stuff like blah 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 tractor, haven't done the work yet, and then second segment it's done, or third. I'll get back working at the junk again, guys. At least the Doyce Alice tractor's ready for a deck soon, whatever deck I put on it, rather it be that orange deck in there from the Simplicity 4211. I probably should just put that on there. I think that black deck is too far gone. And then I'll be able to use that tractor for mowing. And I'll probably sell it. Might put the orange deck on there, make it work. I mean, I was looking in the manual for that tractor. It takes either a 46 or 30-inch deck. I'm going to end it here, guys. I'll be back. I think this will be part 1 of it. I'll show some at night. That'll be the end of the video. And then tomorrow I'll show me digging out and stuff and how much snow we got. My God, the MTD is buried, guys. I think I'm going to build a snowman on the MTD with the snow that's actually on the MTD. This should be being used, but the Stamper LT11's in the garage. It has the plow. It is just really coming down here. Oh my God, is that the sun? Is that the sun, guys? Did it come out? Is it spring? No, it's a street light that was replaced finally. It's just really coming down out here, guys. I'm gonna have to shovel out all this mess. It's just terrible. My whole sidewalk is filled in. The MTD is covered. I really want to grill, but it's winter times. But I think I'll end the video here, guys. And I don't even want to walk down my steps without pants, because I'll probably fall into this mess. Maybe I'll try. This came apart. I should fix this at least. Oh God, I'm gonna fall. Oh no. Oh my God. Look how deep the snow is. Oh my god. It's like ankle deep. It's like up to my knees almost. Let's just come out here just for a minute just to assess the situation. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. It's like ankle deep. How the hell am I going to remove this? Oh my god, my back is just screaming thinking about it. But guys, oh my god, this is a mess. Let's look at the poor MTD. Man, he wants it to be spring too so I can fix him. Damn, let's look at the size of my tracks. But guys, I'm going to end it here. And Stormwatch, Bleach, we'll see you later with the Stella storm. Take care, guys. Peace. Sees ya. Bye. Please comment and subscribe for more, and I appreciate all my new subs. I am just freezing out.